So perhaps as a woman, you're trying to attract a more high-level relationship, or you're trying to gain more stability and abundance in your life, or you're trying to have a better relationship with your body and your self-esteem as a woman. But somehow you feel stuck. Perhaps you're stuck in old, revolving relationship patterns that don't change even though partners change. Perhaps you're stuck around really bringing your creative work into the world and experience and enjoying abundance through that. Well, all of these are signs that you're carrying some kind of unresolved pain or trauma or pattern in the womb space. And the womb is a very powerful energetic center that acts like a magnet. So while the womb is out of balance, the womb is actually magnetizing and remagnetizing all of these things into your life continuously. So we've just been so disconnected as women. And it's actually, in a way, modern day feminism that's disconnected us because it's made us more like men. And so we're up in our heads with to-do lists and all sorts of worries and preoccupations about what we have to do. And that's caused us to come away from our bodies. And the womb has been suppressed and the womb has been traumatized over a long time. And what that's done is it's essentially suppressed our own femininity. So it is very difficult to change these hidden dynamics, which can be so confusing at times and feel so frustrating when you can't change them. But however, when you go into the womb, that's when you get an opportunity to really see and feel and transform what is there. Whether there are stuck emotions in your womb, perhaps of fear or grief or shame. Perhaps there are trauma imprints of unloving sexuality or even sexual abuse. Perhaps there are imprints that are passed down from mother to daughter on an unbroken ancestral line, meaning that you're holding things within you that happened even centuries ago. It's only when you dive into your womb and you really start to transform these previously hidden realities that your womb, as a magnetic force within you, can begin to attract something new. You start to enter into a different relationship to yourself, into a relationship of greater self-love. You're also starting to hold clearer sexual energies. You start to attract healthy, new relationships based on a new feminine energy that is radiating from your womb. You start to feel safer in your body, and you start to be able to reclaim your pleasure and your sensuality in a new way. It's a journey of reclaiming beautiful, powerful, hidden spaces within your body so that you can fully embody yourself and feel safe within yourself. When we really go into the womb and heal it, then we finally stand on a firm foundation as women in the world. And now the second wave of feminism is going to be about coming back to the core of who we are as women through our bodies and through this beautiful multi-dimensional center of the womb, which is so core to our healing. If there's one thing I want you to take away, it's that the womb healing journey is the key to your full embodied feminine presence. And the key also to a new life that you're manifesting through a whole different energy within you.